Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So I've got a couple of videos I'm going to do in this one sitting here just because I'm in a lot of pain from my back and neck. It's just been really hurting lately. So I'm going to do a couple of these videos in a row so you won't see a wardrobe change or anything. But I wanted to do a couple quick unboxing videos and get them done so you guys can see some products that are a little more in line with what a lot of people want to get and aren't sure if they'll actually be able to use or want to use. So here's the first one. So my kids just finished the system upgrades like I showed you guys in the previous videos. However, I'm a couple pairs of speakers short, so I bought a couple of these sets of speakers. And these are done by Logitec, so it's a trustworthy brand, well known for their sound quality. These are S120 or 120s. They are just a 2-speaker set, so figured I'd show you guys what they look like. That way you can determine if they fit your needs. So, inside the box you get instructions, quick start guide. But, just in case you do have a computer and don't know how to set them up, I'll give you a quick tutorial in a second here. So they're plain black, they're plastic, they've got the regular plastic mesh, nothing special, nothing spectacular, just 2 speakers. So there's a left and a right, no subwoofer or anything like that. So just in case you don't know how to set up speakers, it's pretty easy. You plug one plug into the wall, plug one plug into the back of the computer, color-coded green, light green, lime green, whatever color you want to call it. Just matches the same plug on the back of the computer. Plug this into the wall. 2 speakers, one left, one right, and they're marked on the back, L and R. So you got it all set up, left, right, ready to go. And so yeah, there you are. The S120 Logitech speakers in a nutshell. Pretty quick and painless, everyone. Hope that helps you all decide whether or not they're worthwhile purchase. But I'll tell you, I picked them up with tax for about 12 bucks. I'll include a link down below. I think it was like $11, but I don't want to go 11 and have it a little bit over. But I'll give you a link. They were $9.99 plus tax. So, pretty good for the price. My son will be able to use them for his gaming. My daughter will be able to use them for her gaming. And so we'll be good. I bought 3 sets. I just unboxed 1 set so that I could show everyone what they look like. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope everyone enjoyed this unboxing. The link for these speakers should be included in the description. And remember to like the video if you like the content, subscribe to the channel if you want to keep up to date, and leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Also, coming up soon, I have a special treat. I don't know if anyone is aware, but one of my hobbies is 3D printing. So I'm supposed to be receiving some 3D printers in the near future from a purchase recently. And so I'm going to see about doing an unboxing of those. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video on the assembly of it, like a fast forward of me doing the build, probably with a friend, because I'm getting more than one. However, if you are interested, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know that you want to see the 3D printing videos. And I'll see about throwing some of those things up as well.